Hi viewers, today I am going to discuss a structure having 18 inch or 45 centimeter length. In this video, I am relating 18 inch with a 18-year-old person, maybe girl or boy. Mnemonic is use fit vastra. At the age of 18, we should use fit dress, fit vastra. Vastra is Hindi of dress and not dhila dhala, not loose. So a structure having 18 inches length or 45 centimeter mnemonic is use fit vastra. So U for umbilical cord length at the time of birth. S for sartorius muscle. E for elbow to tip of the middle finger distance. F for adult femur. I incisor teeth up to the cardiac end of stomach distance. T for thoracic duct. V for vas deferens. S for spinal cord. And TR for transverse colon. Use fit vastra. Here 18 year and inch. I very much sound like Y and I sounds very much similar. So 18 inch. Now I am 18 and I can enjoy motherhood. Here I am relating the age with the umbilical cord. So 18 and umbilical cord. But how? I am 18 and I can enjoy motherhood. So it's a hint for the length of umbilical cord at the time of birth. Second, I am 18 and I will order my tailor to sew well-fitting dress. And it's a hint that the sartorius is also known as the tailor muscle. So 18 inch sartorius. Third one, that I am 18 and now I am able to point out middle finger. Pointing middle finger is objectionable truth speaker. So middle finger legally if any wrong occur. And it's a hint that distance from the elbow to the tip of middle finger. 18 inch. Another one, 18 inch and adult femur. But how? I am 18 and now I have the strongest and the longest bone of the body. Adult femur is the strongest and the longest bone of the body. I am 18 and it's time to reveal my own personality to this world. In this section I am relating this 18 inch with the distance between the incisor teeth and the cardiac end of the stomach. But how? Because when you have your picture taken, you usually smile and reveal to the world your teeth. Healthy teeth truly indicates one's personality. So healthy teeth, so incisor. Healthy teeth truly indicates one's personality. So distance between the incisor teeth and the cardiac end of the stomach. This is 18 inch or 45 centimeter. Again I am 18 and everyone is just Kyle. Kyle means going mad. So it's a hint that thoracic duct carries chyle. Chyle is limb plus emulsified fat is chyle. So 18 inch and thoracic duct. Now I am 18 and now I can make a vast difference, that is big difference, vast difference in India's future by voting right person. And it's a hint that vast differences and vast difference. This one is vast difference connecting the epididymis with the seminal vesicle of 18 inch length. Another one is a spinal cord. So how? I am 18 and considered as the youth, and youth is the spine of nation. Okay, and it's a hint that a spine of nation and a spinal cord. I am 18 am and I am at watershed edge. Watershed edge is the turning point or dividing line in life. Okay, and it hints towards transverse colon, which is the watershed area of the intestine, as it lies at the junction of superior mesenteric and the inferior mesenteric artery supply, because it is supplied by both. Thank you.